So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram music no record found problem show on iPhone and Android. Lot of Instagram users to say when I open the Instagrams and put story with music. But in Instagram music not record found problem show on iPhone and Android devices. Please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. So guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram music no record found problem on iPhone and Android. Please make sure follow the steps and easy to fix your problems. First one solution is update your Instagram applications. In this new Instagram updates, Instagram music problem fix on your iPhone and Android. Now first of all, strong Wi-Fi to connect your iPhone and Android. Now open the App Store in iPhone and Play Store in Android. Now top corner search bar and search Instagram. If possible, any updates available on Instagram, so guys please make sure download install to latest versions Instagrams. And now again open the Instagrams and check Instagram music working perfectly. Now second one solution is report to Instagram's community. So guys, how to? Now in this video you can see also this type problem show on your iPhone and iPad. When I music search on my Instagram but still show no record found and no result found problem on my iPhone and Android. So guys, now question is how to report on Instagrams. So guys, now first of all open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also right hand side bottom profile icon. So guys, please make sure tap on that. Now top corner 3 dots. Now again tap on that. Now first option is settings. Now again scroll down and select the help center. In help, first option is report problem. Now again tap on that. Now again last option is report a problem. If you this type problem so guys, please make sure that screenshot capture on your iPhone and Android. Now tap on the gallery and select that screenshot. Now top corner describe your problems. Now write a problem like my music won't show up on Instagrams, please help me. Full the problem describe. After you can see also right hand side corner submit icon. This way too you can easily fix your problems. Submit the report after wait for the 24 hours within 100% fix your problems on your Instagram account. One of my subscribers already report to easily fix Instagram musics on your Instagram account. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment section. Thank you so much.